Are you ready for the efficient installation of PPS-GR tubes in heat exchangers? With Technoform, it's simple and reliable. Let's start with the preparation. The design of the O-ring groove and boreholes is crucial. Work closely with the Technoform team to precisely account for the tolerances of the PPS-GR tubes and O-rings. Ensure all sharp edges at the entry points of the boreholes and groove edges are chamfered to prevent damage during installation. Now on to lubrication. Immerse the O-rings in a bath of soapy water and spray the PPS-GR tubes with soapy water. Next, gently insert the lubricated tubes into the prepared boreholes. Avoid using excessive force or hammering to prevent damage to the PPS-GR tubes. After installation, verify that each tube is properly sealed and correctly positioned. With Technoform, you can be confident that your installation of PPS-GR tubes is reliable and long-lasting. Visit our website for more information.